how to use Google Lens offline. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So the first thing first, you guys can Google Lens offline on default translation. And for that, you need to download a language in Google Lens. The other things are available when you will have internet connection. It's not possible to use other features offline. So for language, you guys will simply go to the Lens app. Once we click here, simply select any random pic that have text, for example, that pic here text. Once I click on that, here you guys will see select text also on down right side, A with sign, so simply click on that. Once you click on that, here you guys will see languages. You simply select one language. Once you click on language, here you guys will see English, Azbuk, Urdu, Hindi. So you guys will see also download option. So once we click on download option and we download the language, we can use that language offline in Google Lens. And if we scan any type of text using Google Lens, we can translate it to that language that we downloaded offline. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.